Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions. Vetri meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFA, Sonifar, and Baumits. This video we put every day as a service to people, and in every video we discuss what happened, what will happen, why it will happen, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. I would also request people to put your comments, that will motivate me and my team. Okay, let's go. Today is February 14, 2023, Tuesday, 2 days prior to option expiry, that is Thursday's option expiry. So Bank Nifty closed 41,648.30, 0.89% up. Nifty 17,929.80, 0.89% up. So what happened? If you recollect, yesterday itself we told that the opening of this weekly opening, it opened the gap up. Had it opened the gap down, we said that there is a chance that it would have closed lower in this week. But because it opened the gap up, I cannot say with certainty whether it will close lower. We had our own doubts on that. And also, what happened today? Bank Nifty and Nifty opened slightly around the same level as it opened yesterday, closed yesterday. Thereafter, it started forming support at lower levels and started moving decisively up. It now crossed all the resistance, barring few resistance. Okay, Bank Nifty is just above the 100-day moving average. So is it decisive close? My answer would be no. The reason is because if it is decisive, the next few days it has to go up significantly from here. So I don't see that happening immediately. However, this might act as a support. Nifty, on the other hand, also Nifty didn't even go near the 100-day moving average. Whereas one interesting thing that happened, Nifty now is above the previous week's high, and also it closed above the previous week's high. Where it Nifty closed 17,929. Previous week's high was 17,917 odd levels. So whereas Bank Nifty never went to the previous week's high. So which is like what you call slightly, you are giving a mixed picture. Also, now the exponential moving average on the weekly is now going to act as a resistance. So with this kind of texture and structure being created, so today evening the CPI print from US will make or break. Hence, I would request people to be very cautious, play accordingly. Of course, now nothing can be done because our market is closed. Come tomorrow morning, gap up or gap down will open, and it is going to be a the trader cannot do anything. People who are having overnight position. Hence, always be careful if you are a trader having overnight position. There are two ways of dealing with. One, if you are depending on luck, you can take a position and pray to God. People like me, I depend on myself and God. Hence, what I do is that I don't take positions when there is such event that is happening. I allow the event to be over, then we enter. That's okay, because there are ample opportunities in market every day. So on the Bank Nifty and Nifty components, HDFC Bank was driving, and also ICICI Bank was going up today. Kotak Mahindra is hovering at the same level, and SBI, if you recollect, yesterday we told that it closed just above the 200-day moving average. Today what happened? It went below the 200-day moving average decisively, but thereafter it came and closed above, forming a reversal candle. But is it out of danger? The answer is no. Is it in danger? Yes, probably it's slightly in danger, but if this 200-day moving average SBI is able to hold, so SBI will be able to support. HDFC Bank is supporting, and also, however, I don't expect much of up move in HDFC Bank till the end of this month, because the monthly Bollinger upper band is at 1674. Hence, HDFC cannot close in a big way above that level. Probably it might touch and close. So hence, up move in HDFC Bank is limited for the month and even for this week. So ICICI Bank, yes, it has little chance of going up. Kotak is something which can go up because it is above all the moving averages and other things, and it can really go up. But we have to see how it Kotak Mahindra goes. IndusInd Bank, it touched a low of 1137 and thereafter it closed above. So HDFC, on the other hand, on the financial front, HDFC, we have said that it is also strong. It was looking strong. Today also it looks strong. So Bajaj Finance also jumped up because it formed two reversal. Thereafter, it continued its uptrend. The reason is very simple. Anybody who knows candlestick and exponential moving averages, along with stochastics, will know that in an uptrend, when there is a fall that happens, and as long as the moving averages are held, we know that the uptrend is intact. That's a simple technical analysis which I want to tell my viewers. Okay. So with all the structure, and Reliance made a big up move today. So that is why you saw such a big up move in Nifty, and BankNifty also moved up. So that is the overall structure. So today's up move was restricted to few banking components and Reliance, and on the IT components which started today. HCL, TCS, Infi, all these things jumped up today. Thereafter, banking and banking joined. Of course, Reliance also was in the party since morning. That is why we saw such a up move. So let's analyze the individual components. On the bank, IDFC fell 1%, yes, fell 2%. Axis, HDFC jumped up by 1%, and ICICI jumped up by 2%. Axis Bank was significantly down, but it went up. But Axis Bank, don't expect big up move for the next 3 days in this week because of technicals. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Shriram Transport, HDFC 1% up, Bajaj Finance up by 2%. So Bajaj Finance is now going up because it is above all the moving averages. It is above the only thing that is now a challenge is the 200-day moving average. So it's above all the exponential moving average and other things. So looks like the big downtrend it happened is arrested, and it is on a up move. But once it takes out 200-day moving average, the up move will resume. That's what it is. On the insurance, LIC and SBI Life fell 1%. Insurance and cards, SBI cards up by 1%. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance up. Bharti up by 1%, Reliance up by 2%. If you recollect, in yesterday's video, what did we say? We said that Bharti will go up in this week, and Bharti has gone up. Simple. Why? It's technical, nothing else. Okay, we are not magician, we are technical analysts. That's the power of technical analysis. Coforge on the IT, 1% up in Wipro, Techem, Emphasis, LTTS, and HCL Tech. Infi up by 2%. So Infi and HCL, see, we said in this month itself, Infi in the monthly chart, it formed a doji in January after forming a red candle in December. Then it opened a gap up. Obviously, the closure has to be in the direction in which it has opened. Hence, the closure is going to be higher than December close. You can take it in writing. You can see by Feb end, the closure of February will be higher than January close. Very simple. Whatever happens during the month, even if it is extreme negative happens tomorrow and it falls also, by the end of the month, it will close above that. That is technical, nothing else. On the consumer goods, Berger 1 and Colpol 1% down, Trent 1% up, ITC 3% up. The other components that I'm not mentioning, all of them close flat because we don't want to read out all the stocks. We want to just say what all performed, what didn't, what performed, what underperformed, why it underperformed, what will happen. So on the automobiles, Escorts, Hero Motors 1% down, Bharat Forge and Eicher Motor 2% down, M&M 1% up along with TVS Motor. So Bajaj Auto is also looking sideways, though it remained flat today, looking sideways. Hence, no, it's better stay away from there for some time. Metals, Coal India 1% down, NMDC 2% down, Vedanta, SAIL, JSW, Jindal 1% up, Hindalco 2% up. So Jindal, again, we said that the up move is restricted. The 612 it touched in this month. It's very difficult for it to cross that, at least in this month. So that will act as a very powerful resistance for it. On the health and pharma, Sun Pharma 1% down, Thyrocare 2% down, Apollo Hospitals 2% down. So Apollo today results are coming. So, but notwithstanding that, Apollo had made a technically big fall. So if result is going to be good, better than expected, you can expect opening itself tomorrow gap up. but if it opens gap down and goes down also, so one can enter Apollo with a long-term horizon, because technically in the monthly chart till now it has formed a doji, and if it stays somewhere this level, it is going to be good. So Lalpath, Metropolis, Divis and Cipla 1% up. In the others category, Delta Corp, DLF, MCX 1% down, Godrej 2% down, Zomato 3% down, Nika had a big fall of 5%. We said already, Nika and all these stocks, better as a small investor, wait. If Nika can go quote whatever price it is, if the fundamental, applying the fundamentals lever has to quote 100 times of what it is quoting today. So on the up move, UPL 4% up, Polycab 1% up, India Mart 1% up, Havels, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise 2% up. So Adani Ports and Adani Enterprise I have commented, hence I'm not going to tell my comments again. So with all these things, what is the range that we expect tomorrow, day after tomorrow, sorry, 42,524. That is going to the support is going to be at 4356.81. That is Fibonacci 161.8 when the market fell. That is going to act as a very strong support at the lower side. On the resistance, it is going to be 42,554, which is slightly above the 50-day moving average. So that will act as a resistance for Bank Nifty. Nifty, on the other hand, we expect support is going to be again the same level that we said, 17,496.89, Fibonacci 161.8. On the resistance side, we feel that it will find it difficult to cross 18,105.20, which is nothing but 2022 close. For some reason, it is able to take that out. We expect the next resistance, which is a very powerful resistance, which will not cross this week definitely, is 18,229. What is this? Daily upper band on the Bollinger chart. Thank you very much.